You are a busy business owner with a state-of-the-art office, but are your computer and systems secure and compliant? Professional compliances are mandatory, with severe penalties and costly audits when client data breaches occur. You need a secure, fully monitored, and managed office network to help comply with laws and standards. You also need protection against viruses, spyware, and malware that can wipe your entire hard drive clean. Regular updates and patches must also be applied to your software and applications to keep your patient data safe from hackers. This all sounds like an enormous task, and it is, but with our group, Network's Cybersecurity Protection in place, you can rest assured your computer systems will be safe from all dangerous threats. Our 24/7 monitoring systems allow us to catch issues before you even realize that there's a problem, and in most cases, we're able to perform the new corrections in the background before it impacts your systems. Group for Networks Compliance and Protection keeps your office systems cyber safe, compliant, and running smoothly 24 hours a day. Call us today.